Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. How are you today? Okay, thank God, feeling good. Everything is fine. Firstly, I protect myself. My name is Muhammad Kanifuddin Nadiansa. You can call me Mr. Kanif. Do you know what subject I teach? Yes, it's true that teaching physical education subject is the first time we have met. So, Mr. We'll start our material with material about football, namely the various plans of football and the benefits of football. Oh yeah, no one absent, right? Okay. Well, I will start today lesson by playing together according to their respective belief. Playing start. Finish. Well, I hope that when the learning starts, the students stay focused so that everything can run smoothly and you all get the knowledge you like. Okay, you already know what football is, right? What are the benefits of football? Does any you know? Well, Mr. will explain first. Before processing to the next stage, football is a sport that has a ball, generally made of leader and player by two teams, each consisting of 11 main player and several substitution player. Entering the 21st century, this sport has been played by more than 215 million people in 2000 countries. Now let's start learning together about football. There are 10 basic soccer technique. There are 5 basic soccer technique that you can learn, namely 1. Dribbling. Dribble or dribbling is a basic technique that must be mastered by a player. 2. Shooting. Shooting or shooting is technique that must be mastered because shooting or shooting is one way for players to score goal. Passing. Passing also needs to be mastered because it will make the game run well and cooperation between team is maintained. Control. Control technique are technique to control the ball or stop the ball. This technique is useful for maintaining control of the ball so that the ball is not easily seized by the opponent. Heading. Heading the ball is a basic technique for player to win aerial duels. This technique must be mastered by every player, especially in the different sector in defense and attackers in attack. Football game rules. Game start to choose the R and the starting kick is determined by throwing asing using coin or the like, which is done by the referee. The team that wins the lottery has the right to determine the R or the starting kick. While on the outside and in play, this rule of the game of football involve the ball of the on the outside. If the ball goes out or outside the field line, holistically, whether it rolls on the ground or float in the air. Throw in, if the ball comes out from the sideline, that a throw in made by throwing the ball using both hands above the back of the chairman, and the thrower must face the throwing arm. Both feet must be on the ground when throwing a throw-in not. Throw-ins cannot be scored exclusively. Corner kick is taken when the ball go out over the goal line or back line, except between two goal posts or goal. And was last played by a defender, the R for corner opposition means the angel between the sideline of the field and the goal line or back line of the field. Goal kick. This kick is taken when the ball crosses the goal line except goal and was last played by attacking player. Goal kicks are taken in the goalkeeper's area. Free kick. There are two types or free kick, namely one direct free kick. The ball can be kicked direct in the goal or can be scored private without having to touch another player. 2. An indirect free kick is a dead ball kick. The cannot directly score a goal. We must be touched or played by another player before entering the goal. Offside. A player is standing offside if when the ball is in play he is close to the goal line than the ball. Rule of the game. Normal length to 45 minutes. Rest time 50 minutes. 15 minutes. Line of extensive and to 15 minutes if the result is still a draw after 2 45 minutes mean during a normal. There will be a penalty shootout if the number of goals for the two teams is a draw when the extension is complete. Time out, one per team per half, not the time of addition half time maximum 15 minutes. Football field size. A football field must be 100 meter long and 75 meter wide, followed by a century circle with a radius of 9. Furthermore, the length of international standard penalty box is 40 meter, then the width of the penalty box must be 16.5 meter. The benefits we get when we play soccer: 1. Cardiovascular fitness. Running and catching the ball during 90 minutes of play not only improve cardiovascular fitness, but also improve your muscle metabolism and aerobic fitness characteristic. Build muscle. Playing soccer can significantly help build muscle and strengthen the mass of the legs, thighs, abdomen, and chest. When you try to build muscle by playing soccer, you will experience other benefits such as increased endurance, which means that you will not get sluggish or tired easily. Strength. Regularly playing soccer will build strength in the leg, especially the quadriceps and hamstring. Agile and flexible. To be able to play football, a person is required to be able to move quickly in certain direction. For example, move laterally and vertically and run forward or backward. Weight control. Those who like to play soccer tend not to have a fat body because this type of exercise can help them lose large amount of body fat. Football is a form of aerobic exercise and it can help burn a lot of calories and fat, meaning that a person is likely to be able to maintain his or her weight when an athlete plays soccer. It means he or she is jogging, running, and running for a long period of time, which is a way to get aerobic exercise. Thank you. I close this meeting today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.